Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Renia Simboro, and my crop production is taro, means gabi. And the scientific name is Colocasia esculenta. So next is taro is a root vegetable. It is the most widely cultured species of several plants in the family Arcaceae that are used as vegetable for their corns, leaves, stems, and petiolus. Taro is a root vegetable. It is the most widely cultured species of several plants in the family Arcaceae that are used as vegetable for their corns, leaves, stems, and petiolus. Next, so pag itanong natin siya is dapat mo choose taog location and choose a location with which moist soil. So dapat which has a moist soil and partial shade. Plant the corms and the corms are tubers than 5 to 8 centimeters deep, 60 to 90 centimeters apart, and ensure the soil stays moist. Next, plant taro root species or potted plants to 80 to 100 centimeters apart into your prepared soil. If planting leafless root species, ensure they are planted around 5 centimeters deep. Water in your new taro well and keep well watered throughout the growing season. Next, to how to care. And care involves a few key aspects: consistent moisture, bright indirect light, and a warm humid environment. And last is to harvest. Taro is usually ready to harvest when the leaves begin to yellow and die back 7 to 12 months after planting, according lab to the garden and green harvest. And that's all. Thank you.